Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying the user goal and the primary task the wireframe must support. Once defined, grab pen, paper, and a simple grid. Make a rough layout for the home, detail, and action screens. Set a 5-10-minute timer and sketch rapidly. This forces choices and prevents polishing. As you draw, prioritize content blocks and core actions. Make sure to mark taps, inputs, and navigation areas, so later iterations remain focused on function rather than visual detail. Once you have raw sketches, choose 2 or 3 variations for each screen and iterate on spacing and hierarchy. You should label components and annotate interactions. Note what happens on tap, swipe, or error, because these details explain intent. Make sure to draw arrows between screens to show the primary user path and alternate flows. As you refine, test the flow verbally or with a teammate. This exposes missing steps and ensures your wireframe communicates behavior, not just static layout. You finalize by consolidating annotations into one master wireframe per screen that includes spacing, labels, and interaction notes. Then run a quick usability walkthrough with 2 to 3 people, asking them to complete the primary task while you watch without helping. Make sure to capture where they hesitate and why. Once done, prioritize a single fix to iterate on and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if users repeatedly stall, simplify choices and highlight the primary action to reduce cognitive load.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.